So let me explain you idea about part weight. So what does it mean? Part weight, split weight. What does it mean? So basically, I don't dance exactly like this, but I use it a lot here and there, and many people teach that, but it's not easy to understand. So part weight and why to use it. So part weight means that you place the leg first and your hip is delayed, so it's later. And your upper body could be over the leg already. But you see now there is a little bit room for the hip to enter, to come in. So the benefits of dancing through the part weight is that you can have a very defined, very big, nice hip circle. So you can have visual hip action, not just small action, but huge actions, which actually will make your movements more flexible and more powerful. So I'll demonstrate for you. So you place your leg side, your upper body here is tall, chest is over the leg. You see this emptiness here, this room. Now you can use your contractive muscles here to come in with your hip. And now this hip later close this leg. Let's say if we do cha-cha, we change. And the same here even. You see I close leg is also part weight. So I put a little bit, part weight means let's say 50% of weight. You see my hip is delayed. So now I can use that to produce a bigger hip action. So let's just do side. Side, you see part weight, and then you can use and huge hip. Close and hip. Cha, ah, cha, ah, cha, ah, cha, ah, cha. You see part weight, ah, cha, ah, cha. So if you would change weight right away, cha, 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 it would not be that visual, that much volume. But when you do a part weight, which is only like upper body, there is a little bit room. You can have produced that actually very huge hip actions. So let's take more movements and see how we can play with it. Let's say Ramba, Cucaracha. So see part weight, the leg first, hip is delayed, upper body over. Now use a lot of these contractive muscles here on this side to make that contractive circle. Boom. Hip, hip, and go forward. Even here, don't change right away. Put your leg first, and now, like you bring this hip later. 2 and 3 and forward, and 2 and 3 and forward, 2 and 3 and forward. So you can have those beautiful actions. The same, let's say, if you do cha-cha lock step. You're going cha, part weight, so leg already there, upper body here, delayed hip. And now here, feeling is like you have a bar, you hold the bar, and you pull yourself with that bar. But here in the hip happens this contractive action, which creates a beautiful circle. Ah. Now from here, you close like cha. Now here, you see I created this room for the hip. I can again use that. Ah, cha, ah, cha, cha, ah, cha, cha, ah, cha, ah, cha, ah, cha, ah. And this principle you can use everywhere. You can go through a routine and make sure you're dancing everything through part weight. So I'm gonna just demonstrate for you many movements and then how to apply. Let's say if I go back, you can go back right away, or you can, if you want to create more flexibility, more hip action, you can send your leg first and then on count and do that hip action. Ah, 2, this will be 3. You see I'm delaying hip. Ah, and then we go cha-cha. Cha, you see I'm doing part weight. Ah, cha, ah, 1. See part weight. Ah, forward 2. So only leg. Ah, 3. Ah, cha, ah, cha, ah, cha. So dancing like this, it definitely will put a lot of attention, a lot of visual look on your hips rather than on the legs. So it's a very good idea. Let's go, let's say cha-cha back and forward. 2, ah, 3, ah, cha, cha. Delaying, ah, 2, ah, 3, ah, cha, cha, ah. 2 hip twisters, ah, 3. You see, I leave my hip slightly behind, a bit room, and then I will use this to produce not only beautiful hip action, but Also hip twist. Cha. See this hip delay now use here. Cha. Now I will use, you see the leg is delayed, so I can use this hip circle to produce that leg. One, also part weight. Ah, to come in. And again, ah, two, ah, three, ah, cha, 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 ah. Now let's say if we go to our open choreography and we have something advanced. We have here, then we have in New York, and then we have, let's say, syncopated New York. Go cha 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 cha. How can I apply here? So, for example, if I break it down, let I just demonstrate. So to go there, instead of just going there direct, I will delay that hip. You see, leave this room, and I will use that circle to bring this leg through. Ah, the same here. Walk. So not go here, hip right away. Delaying the hip, part weight, and then follow with the circle. Ah, 3, the same on the back. You see the leg there, then hip comes later. 4, R1. So the movement has a little bit more flexibility. So part weight is very important. This is our director, Nancy Spielberg. She will receive Oscar for that wonderful recording. Thank you, darling.